Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to get live data of all the major cryptocurrency exchanges in the world like Binance, Bitmart, Coinbase, FTX, UOB, Kraken, KuCoin, etc. So here in this file we got 117 cryptocurrency exchange live data within one Excel sheet. So how to use this Excel sheet? Watch the full video. First of all, download the zip file, link given in the description box. After unzip this file, so you get the two files. One is Python file, another is Excel sheet. So just open Excel sheet and run the Python file. Before run the Python file, first of all install the Python and its required module. If you don't know how to install Python, just watch this video. Link given in the description box. So just run the Python. Simple double click. You got the live data in the Excel sheet. So how can I get the live data of Binance? So first of all, create new sheet and rename the sheet name with Binance. So copy the Binance name and rename the sheet name with Binance and save the Excel sheet. After a few seconds, you get the live data of the Binance exchange. Next one, FTX. Then copy the name, create new sheet and rename with the exchange name in smaller case. So after a few seconds, you get the live data of the FTX crypto exchange. So using this method, you get all of these 117 crypto exchange data in one Excel sheet. Using this Excel sheet, you can create price action based strategy like arbitrage trading and triangular arbitrage trading or 24 hours breakout strategy using VLOOKUP and if formula. Thank you friends. Please like, subscribe and share.